Hey guys, Mongo here. Just giving you a quick update on Bitcoin and the overall market. I have Coinbase pulled up on the weekly here. I still have a target of 56,000. Um, and as I've said before, we're not that far away from the all-time high. Right now, we are currently sitting at 32% away from the all-time high. And truly, once we get past the 56,000 mark, which I have marked out here in red, there's not much resistance left. And it's going to get very interesting as long as this ETF buy pressure continues. For those who don't know my chart, this is what I've drawn out from previous bull markets. So 2021, 2020, 2021, you had a value area high, you had a point of control and a value area low. We left that, hit the bear market, spent this time down here. Generally speaking, once you re-enter a value area, you kind of pull to the top. So it took us about 3 months to do so, but we're here, we're above it. And I will zoom in for you to kind of give you an idea. The Bitcoin halving is here in white. And then I have it here in red, the projecting time we break the all-time high just on math alone. That doesn't take into account the fact that we have the ETFs. So ETFs are excluded from the math from the last 2 cycles is because it's new. All right, down to the daily. As you'll see in a second, this is kind of where I'm thinking. Rejection off of 56. Back testing my channel I had here for the longest time. This channel goes back a long time. It goes back to October of 2023. And it is held as a nice level of support resistance through and through. Nice level of consolidation. Just really, we've been following my little arrows here as it's pretty darn close. The cup and handle breakout is 55,000. 56 is a strong level of resistance, hence why I think we'll get rejection there. Money flow looks good. VWAP is turning back up again on the daily. 8 hour. 8 hour money flow is thick. Looks great. This is really just sideways momentum. I think on Monday, if we have any kind of bullish news, Sunday night, Monday, Asia's going to push us higher. 6 hour. Yeah, decreasing momentum, but yeah, it's really just sideways at this point. 4 hour. Actually, money flow seems to be increasing as momentum is kind of getting tighter. You get a nice tight range here. 2 hour. Beautiful. This is not bad for the beginning of the weekend. And the 1 hour. Yeah, this is nearly perfect so far. So more consolidation, eventually a breakup, get some shorts liquidated as we push higher, and then get some longs liquidated here at the top, and then come back down, retest my channel, and let's see where we go from there. All right, that is Bitcoin. Off to some of the Pulse Chain and PulseX stuff. So I have, let's see, Pulse Chain here on the 4 hour. Looking for a breakout target from our W pattern here of 1821. Depends on how you draw this. You can go as high as 22. But we have the 618 here as resistance. And if you were to trade this like any other coin, you'd probably look to short somewhere in this range. But really, because we're so new, I don't see us having much resistance past 786, which is 2344. Not much to say there. Going to PulseX. Don't see it. You're back testing the top of our W pattern. It's beautiful. It's a really nice chart, actually. It looks better than Pulse Chains. A lot more room to run. We are a lot further down. If I drew a fib here for you, we have a ways to go. There you are. Getting rejected from the 382. We'll bounce about through again and probably get another rejection on the way up here at the 618, which is coming in at 89.55, which is roughly, we'll call it 65% because I didn't pull that correctly. So yeah, not much to say on PulseX. The buy and burn is a kind of hidden gem that no one's really talking about outside of Sami. So yeah, running through a few of the altcoins I'm looking at. So this is ZKZX. This is the Tornado Cash fork. Great time to buy. Not financial advice, but I did DCA in this region here. Got a double bottom off the 786. Tiny market cap at 3.4 million. Liquidity looks strong. Project in general is a brilliant idea. So the fact that Pulse Chain's on IPFS makes a big difference in terms of no one can technically take it down, and it's in no one's jurisdiction, as far as my understanding. All right, blockchain backer, Ethereum. This is my other one of the 5 or 6 altcoins that I hold on Ethereum. Expecting a back test of 3 cents, moving higher. I DCA'd the entire way down when everybody else was selling, and I'm being rewarded so far. I'm like 70% from that bottom, so not bad. Let's see what else here. We got Atropa. Atropa's got a beautiful bull flag right now. And you're about to follow Teddy Bear and run into, let's see, new all-time highs, really. Yeah, literally got rejected twice from the 786, but we're making higher lows, so I expect this to break out before Monday. If you haven't bought into this, I'm sorry, but either jump in now or hold your breath. This is Inc. So this is the liquidity token for those who don't know. Extremely undervalued. I did buy a bunch of this at about an average price of $1.97, kicking myself for not buying it at 60 cents, but everything was also locked up, had no liquidity then. So still have a lot of room to run. As you can see, I've drawn here, you have 2,300% to get back to the all-time high. Yeah, not much to say. I mean, I am liquidity farming, just Pulse and PulseX, very small percentage of my bag, but I think I'll let that ride even after I sell most of my other stuff at the end of the bull run. So curious to see how that goes in another few years, because we have no idea where the bottom is going to be from 90% of where we'll talk in 12 months. Die. This is the P die, or someone like Same calls it the Poo die. This is a beautiful bull flag as well. Pull out to the 4-hour. Beautiful. Any kind of cup pattern you can see like this is technically another cup and handle pattern. Gorgeous. This is about to rock it as well. And lastly, is Teddy Bear has the same pattern. It's literally Teddy Bear just back tested and continued higher off of its. It pretty much back tested its all-time high. So even if you put a local fib. Yeah, gorgeous. You pull back tested to 50 and continue moving higher. And that is about it. I did see this little tiny coin called what is this? Dog with a sack. Full transparency, this is me right here. I did throw 32 bucks into it, so if it goes to 0, I really don't care. And there's a few of these. If you come over here to Deck Screener and you come over here to New Pairs, and look for stuff that has some kind of liquidity in it. If it has $2, $5, careful. Some of this stuff's already rugged. So don't throw more than, I can't give you any advice, but I wouldn't, you see what I did. I put 30 bucks in. I really don't care. 30 bucks, 100 bucks. Don't throw a lot of money into stuff like this. 5 bucks, 50 cents. It can make a difference. But there's a lot of fun stuff to kind of browse through on the Deck Screener side. On the new pairs, you can do this on the 7-day as well, which is nice. So I am kind of enjoying playing through this. This brings back the old days of Ethereum, but it's fresh and new on Pulse Chain. So that's about all I have for you guys. Best of luck. Nothing I say is financial advice. You want to come talk to me, hit me up on Blackwall, excuse me, at Twitter, Crypto Blackwall, and the D-Hedge Discord and the Block Card Discord. Bye, guys.